my hair. So I'm gonna tell y'all like this.
Hey, what's up YouTube? What's up burritos? Welcome to another countdown quickie video. Now this time I'm going to be talking about the Gorilla Glue girl. Now I'm sure you've heard about the stories. I'm sure you've seen the memes. It has been completely taking over social media. So let me not waste any time. Let me get right into it. So a Louisiana woman who used Gorilla Glue as hairspray has gained hundreds of thousands of Instagram followers after going viral on social media. Now the woman, whose name is Tessica Brown, gained widespread attention after posting a video to TikTok on Instagram on the 4th of February in which she claimed that her hair had been stuck in place for a month after she used Gorilla Glue Spray Adhesive instead of got-to-be hair spray. No, wow. Now immediately you can just like get that this woman was being very less than smart. I'm actually wondering how come Charlemagne the God never did give her donkey of the day for this piece of epic failure. But let me jump into the video that got this woman viral.
Hey y'all.
Well, okay, I guess, yeah, that is Tessica. I mean, I still cannot understand how she managed to do something like this. I think most people have an idea what Gorilla Glue is used for. Now, this is used to actually is an adhesive, and you can apply it to like metal, certain types of plastic, very dense, hard wood. So like you think about putting something like that on your scalp, it is just like a big no Shellan, tell her something.
Use this.
Okay, so since then, she's been got viral, and many people came on out to basically give her advice. Some people were calling her stupid, while others were very, very concerned and, you know, hoping for the best. So in a matter of time, she actually went to the hospital and she tried to, you know, get something done. So she was actually a part of an interview. I guess this is the first interview that Tessica did talking about the entire Gorilla Glue situation, and this is a bit of what she said.
Doing now, because we all saw the pictures of you in the hospital over the weekend. Can you just quickly explain how you got to this point? Like, was it a mix-up? Was it how did you wind up with Gorilla Glue on your head?
Well, I did my hair, and usually when I do my hair, I use a spray called Got-to-Be Glue.
Yeah.
But I didn't have any more. I figured if I used the Gorilla Glue, you know, by the time I come home, I could just wash it out. But when I tried to wash it out, it didn't move.
And then what happened? Like, what did it feel like when it started to set? Because this is what people use to repair things like cement, which I'm sure you discovered after the fact.
Yes. It's just that my ponytail just kept getting tighter and tighter.
And at what point after the first time you applied, or I guess the only time that you applied Gorilla Glue, at what point did you start to get worried that this may be a permanent thing or a lot more difficult to get out of your hair than you thought?
Well, I guess by the second week after me trying to wash it out, I got with my sisters, I got with my mom. Everybody was trying to give me, you know, different things about what to do to wash it out. But after, you know, that month passed, this is what made me take it to social media.
And then the outpouring from people at first was, I mean, you know, you got goofed on a lot. You got called Gorilla Glue Girl. But then it sort of turned into concern. How did you feel at the beginning when people were like, oh, you idiot? How did, like, you're dealing with this and your hair doesn't move and you have Gorilla Glue in it, and then you have to deal with all this sort of online, you know, you idiot stuff. How did that make you feel?
I mean, I really felt some type of way. Because again, I only went to social media because I didn't know what else to do.
Yeah.
And I just figured somebody out there can tell me what I can use to take care of.
And did you, at any point, did you even try to reach out to Gorilla Glue, to the folks over there, to see what they would suggest to help get the glue out of your hair?
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Did you try to shave it off?
You can't even get a razor under there.
Oh,
So
wow.
even tried to, yeah.
Okay, so then we all saw you took a picture over the weekend of the outside of a hospital, and then you lying in a hospital bed with a medical professional over top of you, and there was something in your hair. So when you went into the hospital, did they have a plan? Did they know what to do, and what did they do?
No, the stuff that was in my hair, that was the cotton. Everybody telling me to take the cotton swabs and try to dab everything that they were telling me on social media. So the cotton swabs started getting stuck.
Okay.
So then what happened?
Yes. First of all, when I got to the emergency room, they took all my vitals and they brought me straight to the back. She said, we're going to take care of you right now. When I get in the bed, they went and got nail polish removal. She got some saline water, and they started to start on the back because I told her it wasn't that much spray in the back because I really couldn't see the back. It's more in the front, so she started with the back. So when she started, it started to burn. Ooh. So they took the saline water and tried to, cool it off. But it burned so bad to where my heart started beating too fast.
Oh, no.
So she stopped. And she told me it looked like she can do it, but it's going to take at least 20 hours.
20 hours? 20?
Yes.
Okay, so then what happened?
So I asked them, can I go home? At least I'll be home and I'll be comfortable instead of just laying in the hospital bed trying to get it all out. They gave me some saline water. They gave me some nail polish removal wipes to go home with. The thing is, every time we start, it burns extremely bad.
No. And you can't even get it to a point where it loosens the hair a little bit that you can then just shave it all off.
And that's the part that I'm trying not to get to. I really don't want to shave my hair off.
No.
Yeah,
that's
for sure.
That's going to be the end result.
Yeah, that is Tessica. So she's doing interviews now, and the next thing I'm hearing now, which is quite very, very unfortunate, is that Tessica has lawyered up and she may be suing the Gorilla Glue company. No, basically what she is saying is that nowhere under the labeling did it say that, you should avoid usage in the hair. No, I'm like, boy, oh boy, Tessica, I was rooting for you. I think a lot of persons were giving you the benefit of the doubt. I know this reeks of a little, this kind of seems very cloutish, like you're looking something, you're trying to get fame and popularity, and this just does not make any sense. But hey, it's America, and I'm pretty sure that you might be able to get some money out of out of this situation. Now, not to be outdone, the Gorilla Spray company has actually issued a statement, and I think I want to read it for you guys right now. And the statement is as follows. It says, we are aware of the situation and we are very sorry to hear about the unfortunate incident that Miss Brown experienced using our spray adhesive on her hair. This is a unique situation because this product is not indicated for use in or on hair as it is considered permanent. Our spray adhesive states in the warning label, do not swallow, do not get in eyes, on skin or on clothing. It is used for craft, home, auto or office projects to mount things to surfaces such as paper, cardboard, wood, laminate and fabric. We are glad to see in her recent video that Miss Brown has received medical treatment from her local medical facility and we wish her the best. Now this is from Gorilla Glue. So right there and then Gorilla Glue is basically telling Tessica Brown, TB, that hey, don't try for sew it because we did put it in the fine print. So if you go ahead and put this in your, I know that Tessica does not want to lose her hair, but it might come down to that. So I just want to hear from you guys on YouTube, Berritos. What do you think of this situation? Do you think that, Gorilla Glue company needs to step up and give her some sort of monetary compensation? Do you think that Tessica needs to have several seats as it relates to this countdown quickie? So please, I just want to hear your talk and share your views in the comments. I mean, it's just very unfortunate. I mean, this is a very, very dumb move. But hey, we all make dumb mistakes sometimes, so I guess this is just her moment to take the L. But I wish for her the best, and I'll be following up this story. So let me just hear what you have to say in the comment section. All right, peace out, and this is it for this countdown quickie.